Global share markets were up overnight after some good profit results from several companies, as well as some positive speeches coming out of several central banks. In the UK and in the EU, both central banks have left their overnight cash rates unchanged. Their governors did also indicate that they will start to stop the support programs they have had in place for some time. This was a surprise to markets and was seen as being fairly positive for down the track economically. However, the UK economy is still fairly fragile. They have contracted for the 6th quarter in a row and they will continue to look fairly bleak. This is opposed to several other economies, such as the US, who are now out of contraction mode and are now starting to expand. The New Zealand dollar has had an up and down night. Unemployment data out yesterday indicated that New Zealand is up to 6.5% unemployment. This is a 9-year high, and the number of people unemployed of 150,000 is the highest since early in 1994. We are likely to see further people come into the unemployment stakes. In addition to this, the Reserve Bank Governor provided a speech yesterday that did surprise everyone. He made it quite clear that financial markets should differentiate between the New Zealand and Australian economies. They should not be pricing in earlier than expected official cash rate announcements, and highlighted that the rate of the New Zealand dollar is not correct at this present time. If currency markets continue to price in higher rate hikes, they will lose money. This was definitely a surprise to currency markets, and as such, the New Zealand dollar did fall out of bed a little bit overnight. On Friday morning, it is trading at just on 72 cents to the US dollar. Recently, we have seen some positive messages coming out of some of the wool auctions. Wool in general has been priced very low recently, and this has been a result of the global recession as well as low construction around the world. However, recently we have seen construction start to pick up here in New Zealand, but also globally. It may be some time before demand really picks up for carpet wools. However, this is positive news, and it is likely that we will see some sort of turnaround from the turmoil we've seen over the past 24 months. While it will take some time for all this to come through, this should be positive for wool prices in time.